Today, we show you how to use the tools. The gift we give you from Shanghai exhibition. Okay. First, let me introduce what this for what. This a small storage. You put the dry tea inside. Okay. This cover. So when you're traveling, you can take. First step, you hot water, clean all of the tools. This for tea and water. This is we call tea separator. Clean. When you put the tea, you need to use the filter. The filter. Okay, very easy. Then clean the bowl. Teacup. Okay, we Chinese. Clean. This panel for wasted water. You can put it, if you're in home, you can put anywhere. But when you're traveling, you can put it there. Clean. If very hot, use this. Second, put the dry tea inside. Hot water. Then filter. This tea separator. Use this. By finger press, avoid drop down. First time the tea cannot drink, better don't drink. Also clean tools. Clean. Second time, filter. You need added water. Finger, press. For your customer or your friend in home. So if you keep drinking, keep. For your customer, it's very wet. You can clean. Okay, this is easy. When you finish drinking, clean all of tools. That's okay. This is our new factory, new office for our boss, Mr. Qin. So if you have time and have a chance, welcome visit us. Thank you.